Hello everyone. So today I have invited Tarak to for a simple demo for creating a simple AWS architecture. So yeah, Tarak is with us. Hi Tarak. Yeah. So today we are going to work on a simple AWS architecture where we are going to have VPC and subnet and two EC2 instances, and we are going to launch these four resources. Just a simple architecture using this brainboard, and this is the cool UI of the brainboard, and these are the resources, and this is the AWS provider, and these are the resources, all the resources that are listed here. And so let's start with the region first. Let me drag and drop it, and I'll name the region as US East 1. I'm going to select the region as North Virginia. Okay, so the region is created. Now we will create a VPC inside that. Let me put the VPC inside it. So cloud configuration. Let me call the VPC as just VPC, and the region is automatically selected as North Virginia. And let me provide the CIDR block VPC 10.0.0.0/16. Apply. Okay, so now we are done with our region and the VPC. Let me expand it. Okay. So now we will put our subnet, VPC subnet inside the VPC, and it will ask for to confirm the parent is VPC and the region. So let's click on add. So it says the AWS VPC subnet added into the AWS VPC. So let me call it as just public subnet. It's inside the North Virginia, and we'll provide the CIDR block as 10.0.0.0/24. Give apply. So we are done with configuring the subnet, and now is the EC2 instance part. So we have under the compute section, we have EC2. So we are going to make use of the T2 type EC2 instance. We'll click on add, and we are going to configure two such EC2 instance inside the subnet. And I'm going to call this as just server 1. This will be our second EC2 instance, test server 2. So sorry, I should be applying it. Test server 2 apply. So we need to provide the AMI. Let's type AMI here. We can see option to provide the AMI. So let's quickly take AMI from the AWS console. And I'm going to copy the AMI ID from a console. I'm going to paste it here and apply. Same, I'm doing it for my second EC2 instance. Apply. And we can add the tags. Name is equal to server 1. Server 2 for my second EC2 instance. And yeah, that's pretty much about the architecture. So let's quickly go and deploy. Once we create the architecture, we can see all the appropriate code is getting generated here from the subnet, VPC, and you can see here, whatever we do it in the design part, everything is automatically getting populated here. So let's quickly go and do plan so that it will initialize the Terraform code. Let's wait. Let's give it some time. Okay, so now here we are seeing some error which says AWS instance test server 1 instance type. So we need to we have forgot to um, input the type of instance type. So let's quickly do that. Instance type, we are giving t2.micro. Same here, micro. Now we'll run it again. We need to stop the existing action before we do the plan again. So the brainboard is initializing the Terraform code and it is successfully initiated. And we are seeing the plan of adding 4 resources as expected. The VPC, test VPC, and we can see here the everything what it is going to add. Test server 1 will be created, and okay, let's go ahead and apply it. Need to confirm by providing apply. So it start creating the VPC. As you can see here, the VPC creation is completed, followed by the subnet, and the instances are getting created. If we can go there and see it in our console, we can see 2 EC2 instances in pending state. So let's give it some time for it to create. So one is already up and running. Yeah, so it's completed deploying all the resources. So if you can see here, we have two EC2 instances up and running. So inside the VPC, yeah, so this is the VPC that we have created with the CIDR range 10.0.0/16, and this is the subnet. Yeah, so this is a simple architecture in AWS using Brainboard, and it looks very cool. So I'm very much impressed with the design and the easy to use. Everything is user friendly. And yeah, thanks everyone for watching.